Hi, welcome back to Chem 510. In this video, we will discuss about some examples asked in NET and SET exam. So, let's start the video. First example is, if we know bond order of NO and NO plus, then which of the following statement is true of these two species? Option 1, bond length is unpredictable. Option B, bond length in NO is greater than in NO plus. Option 3, bond length in NO plus is equal to that of NO. And option D, bond length in NO plus is greater than in NO. Firstly, what is bond order? Bond order is equal to 1/2 into Nb minus Na. Number of electron in bonding minus number of electron in antibonding. So, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, and oxygen is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So, in p this is molecular orbitals. There are 7 electron. Filling of that 7 electron: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, bonding molecular orbital, there are 6 electron present. So, 6 minus 1 divided by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Bond order of NO is equal to 2.5. NO plus. When plus sign is assigned, then 1 electron is minus into that. So, nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, and oxygen having 8 electrons, but 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 plus sign, so 2p3. There are 6 electrons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, bonding 6, antibonding 0 divided by 2 is equal to 3. But now, here bond length is mentioned. So, bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. So, NO having bond order 2.5, but this is less bond order than NO plus, so having larger bond length. So, bond length in NO is greater than in NO plus. This is true. Second one is, which of the following has highest lattice energy? Option A, Kf, B, CSF, C, NAF, and D, RBF. So, what is lattice energy? Lattice energy is the amount of energy released when cation and anion in their gaseous state are brought from infinity to their respective lattice site in crystal to form one molecule of ionic salt. Now, lattice energy is inversely proportional to inter-ionic distance. Inversely proportional to inter-ionic distance. So in this option, NaF having less interionic distance, so having highest lattice energy. So this is correct answer. Third one is the bond found in structural formula of CO2. We know that CO2 is a linear structure, having linear structure in which one is sigma bond and another is pi bond. So correct answer is B. Now, which of the following species have bond order 3? Bond order is equal to 1/2 Nb minus Na. Now, first N2, nitrogen having 7 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 6 electrons in outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 3. This is correct answer, but we calculate among this NO minus. Here I calculate NO plus. Now NO minus. Nitrogen having 7 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen having 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2p4, but here minus sign is present, so 2p5. Now filling of this electron are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 6 minus 2 divided by 2. Bond order of NO minus is equal to 2. Then C2 minus. Carbon having atomic number 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 because of minus sign. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. And NO, nitrogen having 7 electron, 7 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, and oxygen having 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 4 plus 3, 7. 1, 2, sorry, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 6 minus 1 divided by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So answer is N2. Now fifth one is, which of the following is intrinsic semiconductor? First, pure carbon, pure graphite, sodium and magnesium. Firstly, what is intrinsic semiconductor? In intrinsic semiconductor, the energy gap between filled bond and next empty bond is very small. So in this, pure graphite is intrinsic semiconductor. Now sixth one is, the total number of lone pair of electron in I3 minus is. The structure of I3 minus we will write here. I. This is I3 having so you can count the number of lone pair 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So answer D is correct. Now B10C2H12 is isoelectronic with option A B12H12 2 minus, B B12H12, C B12H12 plus, and D B12H12 plus 2. So here we count the electrons of B10C2H12. Boron having atomic number 5 into 10 plus carbon 6 into 2 plus 1 into 12 is equal to 12. So addition 50 plus 12 plus 12 74. Now first A option B12 H12 2 minus 12 into 5 plus 12 plus minus 2 taken as 2, 60 plus 72 plus 74. This is correct option, but I will calculate this. B12 H12. Now 12 into 5 plus 12 72. B12 H12 plus means 73 and 71. Here 1 minus is considered, and B12 H12 plus 2 having 70, because 5 into 12 plus 12 minus 2, because of plus 2 sign is here assigned, so 70. A option is correct. Now 8. Among the following species, one of the highest bond strength. Option A O2, B O2 plus, C O2 minus, and D O2 2 minus. Here bond order of O2 is equal to 2, O2 plus is equal to 2.5, O2 minus is equal to 1.5, and O2 minus 2 is equal to 1. So bond order is calculated by formula 1/2 into NB minus NA. Here asked the highest bond strength. So bond strength means bond dissociation energy. Bond dissociation energy or bond strength is directly proportional to bond order. So which of having highest bond order having highest bond strength? So option B is correct, having 2.5 bond order. 9th one is the oxide of metal will be acidic if ionic potential is root of phi is less than 2.2. B option root of phi is equal to 2.2. C option root of phi is equal to 2.2 to 3.2, and D root of phi is greater than 3.2. What is ionic potential? Ionic potential is ratio of charge of cation to charge of anion. So in period phi is increasing across the period and decreasing down the group. Now root of phi is less than 2.2, then oxides will be basic. Root of phi is equal to 2.2 to 3.2, then that will oxides are amphoteric, and root of phi is greater than 3.2, then oxides are acidic. So option D is correct. Oxides ionic potential root of 3 is greater than 3.2, then it will be acidic. 10th, the decreasing order of dipole moment of molecule is option A, NF3 is greater than NH3 is greater than H2O. B, NH3 is greater than NF3 is greater than H2O. C, H2O is greater than NH2 is greater than NF3, and D will be H2O is greater than NF3 is greater than NH2. Here dipole moment is depend on lone pair. Higher number of lone pair, then greater the dipole moment. So H2O having two lone pairs, so it is greatest, but among NH3 and NF3, NH3 and NF3 having one lone pair, NH3 and NF3 having one lone pair, both are pyramidal, but dipole moment of NH3 is higher because the direction of lone pair and all bond dipole is same. Here dipole moment of NH3 is higher because in NF3 F is more electronegative than N, so H2O is higher than NF3, then NH3, then NH3, then NF3. So option C is correct. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.